Hello everyone, in this video we are going to creating LabelFrame. Basically LabelFrame is a simple container widget. Its main purpose is to act as a spacer or container for complex window layouts. At first, let's create a method. Okay, and self.frame. Okay, LabelFrame self. Okay, self.frame back. Okay, if I call this method and run, it does not show me anything. Okay, this text is not showing. Okay, now you can see this text is not showing here. Okay, unless we use this frame, it does not show us. Okay, let me explain you this by an example label, and now I am using this frame. Okay, frame, and it should be hello. Okay, and okay, if I pack it and run, this time the label text is showing. Okay, you can see this is the title of our label frame. Okay, it is showing here, and hello is our label text. Okay, you can give the background color. Okay, red, and you can give the size. Okay, paddocks mean width. Okay, 200 and pad y 100. Okay, and you can give the border size and type of the border and the font for the text. You have lots of options. Okay, now you can see, okay, our background color is changed to red. Okay, and okay, you can add buttons. Okay, radio buttons, check buttons in the label. Okay, as I already told that it is container. Okay, where we put the widgets. Okay, and okay, okay, if I run this, now you can see this is our button. Okay, thank you for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe.